NotPixel is listing today, just about 3 hours away from here, and it will be listing on DEX. That's decentralized exchange, and the listing price we're all expecting is $1 upward. And more importantly, in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually convert or trade your NotPixel on decentralized exchange as again the centralized exchange you are used to. So welcome everyone to Digital. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. Link in the description and comment section of this video. And if you are looking for testnet or node project you want to start farming to make ranging from $1,000 to $10,000, so link in the description of this video. So it is official now. NotPixel will be listing today and in few hours time. That's 16 UTC. If you're in Nigeria, that's around 5 p.m. Nigeria time. And from the official statement, it said from the start, we prioritize conviction over convenience. That is why PixX is launching exclusively on DEX. And for those of you who might not be familiar with DEX, DEX is decentralized exchange. The one we are used to is centralized exchange like Binance, Gate.io, Bybit, BitGet, MEXC, and so on and so forth. So decentralized exchange don't hold your coin. But centralized exchange, you have to transfer your coin to them. They will be in total custody of your coin. But decentralized exchange, they are not, it's an exchange, but they are not in custody of your coin. So you keep your coin in your wallet. Then if you want to use their platform to exchange it, they just have as a bridge linking the coin you want to exchange, then they send it back to you. So it's just like a bridge. You get the point? So that is just different between that. Meanwhile, centralized exchange is a bigger platform. We have a lot of players on centralized exchange. You get the point? Now, if you want to now convert your coins in centralized exchange, maybe to USDT or to Ton or any coin you want to use, since this coin is on Ton blockchain, what you need to do is to come to your Ton Keeper. I will advise you use Ton Keeper wallet. So you go to your Ton Keeper. So when you come to your Ton Keeper, then you locate browser. Just down below, towards the middle part, you're going to see browser, as you can see from here. So you scroll down, then you look for DEFI. So from there, you are going to select DDoS. You can also use Stonefy. You can see the one I highlighted. So you click on your DDoS. Then the first thing you are going to actually select there is the one at the top, which is swap. So from the swap, you can now convert from and to. From to. So I'm changing from NotPixel to USDT. So you're going to select NotPixel. Then down below, you're going to select USDT or Ton. So you understand the point? Then after selecting, but make sure you have a gas fee, which must be in Ton. You get the point. So if you want to have successful transaction, you need a gas fee. So at least $1 worth of something, let it be inside your wallet. Very, very important. Or probably $3 or $4. So then when you are done, then you click on swap. Then it will be converted for you. Very quick and easy step. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this new announcement or this new development? Do you think is the right step for NotPixel or Ton as a whole to actually go? But in my opinion, I think based on the announcement Ton has actually made, they are trying to make sure that everything on Ton ecosystem is being done inside that Ton ecosystem. That's the project I think they have now in mind. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. See you at the top.